Okay,
dangerous.
okay. We have to step away.
Step away.
Okay, alam natin. Oh my gosh! Okay, so yan, makalat siya at mausok.
Ay, nakita mo
Ayan.
naman. Lahat yan titilagay sa mukha mo.
Oo, so hindi talaga
Are
siya.
you okay?
Okay, but very, very unhealthy kasi kahit healthy ang fish, napunta na ang oil sa ating mukha at na-absorb na rin siya ng pagkain
Hindi
natin.
lang yan. Nakita mo naman kung gaano kagrabe yung usok na yan.
Oo nga,
Your
wapoy
house,
siya.
your room will smell
Oo,
so
at magpapaypay ka ng magpapaypay.
True. Okay. But
Okay.
with our multi-grill,
Yes.
ayan yung rack natin.
Oo.
You can flip it both ways. If you want
Yes.
it closer or
Oo.
farther from the coil.
Okay, so we put in our water at dyan magdidrip yung ating mga oils
Yes.
from our food.
Yung oil na nasusunog kasi nagkukos ng mabahong smell di ba?
That's
Pag
true.
nagsilaw ka. Ay, and it's frozen.
Wow! So
It's
it can go
frozen.
straight into
Yes.
our multi-grill. So you skip the process of defrosting. So mas efficient talaga.
Mas mabilis.
Oo.
Mas mabilis. And we just
So yan.
close it.
At yan, walang safety hazard,
mo na.
hindi nakakatakot. Okay, so sinet na natin yung timer, pwede na natin siyang iwanan. At yung maganda, because of our double coil heating system, wow, naluto siya.
Look at that. And it's so golden. Hindi siya
Oo.
sunog at hindi dumidikit sa tray.
That's right, and take a look at that nice,
Wow.
crispy skin on the outside and on the inside. Very juicy meat.
Fish meat.
Oo,
Na
very
mahirap
healthy.
ma-achieve kapag nag-grill ka. Minsan nasusunog talaga.
Oo.
Minsan, kadalasan nasusunog yung loob.
At hindi siya,
Ang gamit natin.
oh, diba? Poised na poised.
Effortless.
You just lift
Effortless.
it, diba?
Yes.
At the
And look
end
at
of the
that.
process.
Look how perfectly cooked it is.
Wow!
With less effort. Oh,
Crispy
wow.
skin. Ang sarap.
Oh, that looks so good.
Oo nga. At ngayon pwede na natin i-grill yung chicken kasi ba usually we fry it in oil.
Yes.
It's not healthy. This is a better alternative. You grill your chicken and it comes out crispy and juicy.
And healthy.
Oo,
so much
mas healthy
healthier.
talaga. O, ano naman ito?
I get excited. Oh, there. Look,
magandang
look through the
surprise.
window. Oh.
Wow.
At makapal yung meat na yan, ha?
Oo nga. At
Minsan kakabahan kayo. Naluto kaya yung loob? Baka
Tama.
naman may blood pa. But no! We will
Okay.
check with our Kukan Multi-Grill kung naluto talaga yung loob.
Siyempre, papatunayan ni Chef Kim yan. So we will see, is it as beautiful on the inside? It is.
Wow, it's so juicy.
As it is on the
Oh, look
outside.
at that.
Wow. At yung maganda is grill natin itong pork belly. Di ba usually you have to deep fry it?
Oh, yeah.
Hindi na siya healthy. But this one, this is nice and healthy. All of the natural oils have dripped to our oil drip tray. So yan, nice and healthy way of serving pork.
And it was that fast, that easy.
Yeah.
Diba? You can prepare the sauce.
Oo.
You can do whatever else you need to do while you're
Oo.
cooking. Pag narinig mo naman yung cling, alam mong luto
Yun na
na,
yun.
titigil na siya automatically.
That's right. Oh,
Pizza!
Pizza! And the kids, the family will really love that. Ay, yung tendency din natin, minsan nagsistick yung cheese at saka yung bread sa ating rack, but that isn't a problem.
Ay,
And
look at the cheese.
My
Oh,
gosh,
wow.
look
Oh,
at that.
wow.
Melted,
Oh, that smells so
savory,
good.
and delicious. I never thought you could grill a pizza.
I know, exactly.
Right? Oh
Kasi
my
nga,
gosh.
dahil sa dual coil natin up
Oo.
and down, evenly siyang naluluto. Pero
Sige.
hindi siya nasusunog.
Oo nga. Ang sarap.
Here we have
Ayan.
our salmon.
Woohoo! Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful.
Ang bango.
We all love our salmon. At hindi siya sunog, tamang-tama yung pagkaluto.
Yes. Mahirap
Golden.
iluto to, Les, lalo na pag-grill.
Oo.
Kasi dumidikit siya. Kasi very tender kasi yung meat ng
Oo.
salmon.
That's right. Dumidikit siya. At we really have to monitor
Crumble.
it consistently. But because of our tempered glass, you can just watch it as
look
the
at how
magic
beautiful that
happens.
is. Wow.
Oh my food.
You can grill to perfection and be the perfect chef for your family with the Kukan Multi-Grill for only 2,995 pesos with 3 months easy payment available exclusively at O Shopping. So call now.
It over. So talagang nakakahilo siya. Talagang pagkatapos ko magluto at mag-prepare ng meal, feeling ko I've been through so much para akong sumabak sa gera. Talagang nakakapagod.
Kinukwento mo pa lang yan, napagod na akong pakinggan ke. Okay? So our Kukan Multi-Grill really makes our lives so much easier. You know what? Even if you get food straight from the freezer,
Aha.
you don't even have to defrost it anymore.
Wow, wala nang defrost.
Hindi na. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay. Put it directly in our Kukan Multi-Grill.
Wow.
I-set mo yung timer mo.
Eh.
Tapos magantay ka lang and your food will be cooked evenly.
Wow, match made in heaven yan for
Yes.
us mga multitasking moms, pati na rin yung ating mga home cooks. At doon sa atin talaga na gusto natin maging healthy, marami sa ating inisip, I will start healthy cooking and eating, pero hindi natin nagagawa dahil sa kabisihan ng buhay. Eh, hindi na natin kailangan mag-worry kasi meron na tayong grill, you know, it's so portable, you can put it on your counter,
Yes.
you plug it, and then you put in your food and it will cook it. And what is great is the oil drips into that water in our oil drip tray, and we can be sure that our food is grilled to perfection.
Yes, healthier na siya at sobrang hassle-free because now of the 3 different filters, 3 ways to
Right.
take out and lessen the smoke and the smell.
Oo.
We have our oil drip tray where you put your water where the
Oo.
oil drips
Oo.
para hindi siya masunog at hindi mabaho. We have our lid so you close it while you're grilling so hindi talaga siya umuusok. And
Right.
also our ceramic filter para talagang triple na.
Wow.
Sure na less smoke at less smell.
Triple threat talaga. At alam mo, Khalid, ba kunento ko sa'yo, parang gera ang magluto. Ngayon, ang paglilinis naman, para naman siyang mountaineering or mountain climbing. Kasi meron kang pile of things
Oh,
to
yes.
wash. At napakahirap niyang hugasan. But with this, it's so easy to detach from our frame. And then we are able to clean it very easily.
Yes, so make your lives so much easier with a Kukan Multi-Grill. What are you waiting for? Pick up your phones and dial the number that's on your screen right now.
Okay. Okay, so we have a rack which we can place upwards or down.
Yes.
You put in the water at tagasalo yan ang ating oil which causes the smoke.
Yes. Kaya hindi nasusunog, kaya hindi siya mabaho kasi
Oo.
hindi nasusunog yung oil.
Yes.
Nag-drop lang siya dun sa ating oil drip tray. At
Right.
hindi siya mabaho.
Okay, so
O,
put it
dalawa
on.
pa. Pwede mong ilagay.
Oo.
And it's frozen,
Wow.
It's frozen straight from the freezer.
So we don't have to go through the defrosting
No more.
process anymore. Napapadali at napapabilis yung ating pagluluto.
Just turn on the dial and it's that easy. You can do anything. You can wash the dishes,
Yes.
prepare other food,
Yeah, set the
watch TV.
table. Oh, pwede rin watch TV, watch or
Oh,
shopping.
wow, look at that.
Wow.
It's perfect. It's not burnt.
I know, smoked perfectly. Ay,
Golden.
Wow. You see the crunch, Cara?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
Ang sarap. At nag-grill din natin yung ating onions inside. Ang
Look at
sarap.
that.
And a nice crispy grilled skin that
At wala
really is
siyang amoy.
perfect.
Yun yung hassle kapag fish yung niluluto mo di ba?
Oo.
When you grill fish, it really stinks.
A big hunk of meat inside our frying pan. Yan, nilipad yung ating
And
mantika.
look how messy that is. Oh, ayan, lahat ng oil tumitisik. So, pag
I
di mo
know.
tinakpan yan lahat yan, tatasik na sa'yo.
Oo, and your food is absorbing all of that
Oh,
oil.
gosh. Yes.
Okay,
And
pero
with the Kukan
Mm.
Multi-Grill, tignan mo naman
Okay.
kung gaano ka-safe.
ayan, ang ganda ng ngiti ni
Oh,
Chef Kim
wow.
pagbukas. Ang sarap.
Ang bango naamoy mo. Ang
Oo.
bango.
Grilled. So, yung maganda dito is you didn't even have to use oil in the first place. And the natural oils from the food drips through the water at hindi mo na kailangan i-flip. Hindi na niya na-flip, Cara, at perfectly cooked yung steak na
Bango.
yan.
And look at that. Oh, ready to go na. Ganun lang kabilis. How many minutes ang inantay mo? Nakagawa ka pa, na-prepare mo pa yung sauce na yan habang niluluto mo yan,
That's
di ba?
true.
You save so much
At
time.
iniisip natin kailangan ng restaurant para ganyan kasarap ang pagkain. You can cook it at home.
You can be your own chef.
Yes.
Sa bahay.
Wow.
Oh, may veggies pa tayo.
Oo nga eh, ating mga chicken drumsticks and wings. Parang perfect yan pag Friday night, mag-movie night
Oh,
kayo,
yes.
diba? Ng iyong pamilya. Oh, nice golden brown skin cooked
Wow.
right inside. Ang ganda.
Smells so good. Tsaka evenly yung pagkakaluto niya, walang sunog na side.
That's
Pati yung
true.
loob. Isipin mo kapag ganun, pag nakasarado ng parang hilaw pa yung loob no? But
Oo.
no, it's not.
Oo.
Evenly cooked.
At usually yan, Cara, fried chicken yung inihahanda natin. But this one can be grilled crispy chicken.
Yes.
Okay.
What do we have here naman? Very
Ano
exciting
naman ang
every time siya
surprise?
open it.
Surprise!
Wow, kabab!
It's very delicious, so nice with those grilled vegetables that we love. Oh, that
Smells
looks
so good.
and it looks so tender. Ayan,
Wow.
ang sarap.
Oh, wow.
Very
The shrimp.
beautiful.
Shrimp.
Oo.
squid.
So talagang a different variety of food and it's cooked so well and cooked so beautifully.
Yes. Lastly, what do we have here?
Aha! Squid! Oh, wow! So we have a seafood meal prepared.
Tsaka dumidikit yan eh, kapag iniiwan mo yan eh. Or
true.
yung sunog, dangerous pa pag nakakain mo, carcinogenic yun eh.
That's true. Pero ito talagang grilled to perfection. Walang nasusunog na pagkain. Ayan, tignan natin. Ang
You don't even have to
sarap.
flip. Now you can grill to perfection and be your own chefs to your own family with the Kukan Multi-Grill. Very affordable price. It's only 2,995 pesos with 3 months easy payment exclusively at O Shopping. What are you waiting for? Pick up your phones and call now.
Marami na talagang may gustong mag-avail at marami nang tumatawag para makuha nila ang Kukan Multi-Grill.
Yes, so don't you want to make your lives so much easier
Oh,
with
yes.
this product? Diba, of course, you want to serve only the best for yourself and for your family.
Oo.
So, mapapadali talaga nito ang buhay mo. Less smoke, less melt, cook easier, faster, and more efficient with the
Oo.
Kukan Multi-Grill.
Alam mo, sa sinasabi mo, Kara, talagang go na talaga ako. Why wait for that healthy lifestyle? It's within your reach. All you have to do is call at makukuha niya ang Kukan Multi-Grill. Napakadali talagang magluto. Hindi kailangan sobrang 100% tutok na tutok kayo. You just
Yes.
put in your food na nakatimpla, you leave it there, and then when you open it, after the timer has done that ding, you will see that it has been grilled to perfection.
And it automatically stops, no?
Oo.
You're sure na hindi masasunog yung food na niluluto mo, and you can do so much with your time. So do not let this chance pass. Why don't you make your lives so much easier with the Kukan Multi-Grill? Pick up your phones and dial the number that's on your screen right now for only 2,995. Get the Kukan Multi-Grill.
You got the style with the way that you move. Hey!